Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Furniture Sliders is probably one of the most underrated inventions for homeowners and renters alike, especially those living in apartments or houses with concrete floors. They can transform the arduous task of moving heavy furniture into a smooth and effortless process, saving you time, energy, and potentially preventing damage to your floors and furniture. This video will review the top furniture sliders on the market, helping you choose the perfect ones for your needs and budget. Number 5. X-Protector Felt Furniture Sliders. Moving heavy furniture is a struggle. It's difficult and can scratch your floors. But with these sliders, you can move your furniture easily and safely. These 8 sliders are designed for any hard floor. Simply place them under your furniture and glide it across the floor with ease. At 4.34 inches, they're the perfect size for various furniture pieces. They provide excellent weight distribution, preventing scratches and damage. Made from thick felt and rubber foam, these sliders are durable and reusable. The rubber foam grips your furniture securely without any glue. X-Protector is a registered trademark. We stand behind our product and offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll refund your purchase. What we like? If you need a heavy-duty solution with a secure grip, this is it. Its thick felt and rubber foam construction ensures your furniture moves easily without scratching floors. If you're tired of flimsy sliders, this option provides reliable protection and effortless movement for your valuable furniture. What people say. Used under our heavy appliances. Makes for very easy moving on wood floors. Ordered these sliders to move back living room and dining room furniture onto my newly finished hardwood floors. They worked perfectly, remained stable and glided smoothly without affecting the floor finish. The pads are thick with a cork-like side and a dense foam side. They work great on our antique iron bed and piano. Number 4. Round Furniture Moving Kit. This kit makes moving furniture a breeze. It's designed to protect your floors and make moving heavy items effortless. With 16 high-quality felt pads, it's perfect for carpeted and hard floors. They're suitable for all types of furniture. These pads prevent scratches, marring, and noise on hardwood, tile, and other surfaces. Say goodbye to floor damage. The EVA foam sliders allow for smooth and easy movement of your furniture. Moving heavy pieces is now a simple task. They're reusable and durable, so you can use them again and again. Leave them under your furniture for easy cleaning and future moves. Simply place them under furniture legs. They work on tables, sofas, beds, and much more, including heavy appliances. The EVA foam felt pads provide excellent grip and protection for your furniture and floors. They're built to last. Each pad is 89 mm in diameter, and the entire kit weighs 233 g including packaging. They are the perfect size for most furniture legs. What we like? This value pack offers versatility for all your furniture moving needs. The EVA foam protects all floor types, and the large quantity ensures you have enough for all your furniture. If you have multiple pieces of furniture to move and want a cost-effective solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These work great and make it so easy to move heavy, even really heavy items. If you have heavy furniture that is hard to move on hard floors or carpet, these work great. The felt ones are for the hard floors and the hard plastic ones are for carpet. I bought them for retail use. Moved 6 beds in a matter of minutes with zero help. Recommend these for anyone. Number 3. COZ Furniture Sliders. Moving heavy furniture can be a struggle. But with these sliders, you can easily glide your furniture across any floor type. This kit includes 8 durable sliders, each capable of supporting up to 110 pounds. They're perfect for chairs, beds, and more. These sliders move smoothly across carpet, hardwood, and other floor surfaces. They make moving furniture a breeze. Made from high-quality polypropylene and EVA foam, they're built to last. They protect both your floors and your furniture from scratches. Simply place them under your furniture legs and glide. They're reusable, making them a great investment. These sliders provide a stable base, reducing the risk of tipping, making moving furniture safer and easier. What we like? For effortless movement of heavy furniture, these sliders are your best bet. Their durable construction and smooth glide on various surfaces make moving a breeze. If you're looking for a long-lasting, reliable solution for moving large, heavy items, this is the one for you. What people say. This makes moving large items a breeze. So far, no issues with adhesive as they do what is expected. Cleaning has never been easier and they work great. This product works extremely well. It is easy to install and makes moving furniture easy on the back. They work great and have lasted a long time. They haven't messed up our carpet in any way and make sliding this chair around a breeze. Number 2. CasterMaster Non-Slip Furniture Pads. Do you get annoyed when your furniture moves unexpectedly? These furniture stoppers will keep your furniture firmly in place, no more sliding. Hardwood, vinyl, carpet, these pads protect all floor types. Their flexible rubber grips the floor and holds your furniture securely. No more squeaks or scuffs. These pads are designed with noise-dampening technology for a quieter home. They can handle even the heaviest furniture. Simply slide them under your furniture legs for years of reliable use. Find the perfect fit for your furniture. They come in various sizes and colors to match your style. We're confident you'll love them. If not, we offer a full refund, no questions asked. What we like. If you need to keep your furniture from sliding and reduce noise, this is the perfect solution. These non-slip pads are designed to hold even the heaviest items in place while protecting your floors. If you prioritize stability and quiet movement, this is the best option. What people say. They are great and they will absolutely keep your furniture in place and prevent any scratches on your hardwood floor. These casters work great, no more couch moving across the floor, they keep the couch in place. I have wood floors and my sofa now stays where it belongs. No more movement when someone sits or my dogs jump on the couch. Number 1. Furniture Slider 8-Piece Pack. Moving heavy furniture is now a breeze. These sliders effortlessly glide on various floor types, making moving your sofa or fridge simple and stress-free. This set includes both large and small sliders, ensuring you have the right size for every piece of furniture. It's the perfect solution for all your moving needs. They glide smoothly across carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. Say goodbye to struggling and hello to easy furniture movement. Cleaning behind large furniture is no longer a chore. These sliders make moving and cleaning a simple process, saving you time and effort. These sliders prevent scratches and damage to your floors while protecting your back from strain. Move furniture without worry. What we like. This set provides versatility for all your furniture moving needs. The different sizes accommodate various furniture, and the smooth glide on all floor types makes moving easy. If you have a mix of furniture sizes and floor types, this is the most practical choice. What people say. What a cinch it is to move even heavy furniture with these. Even very heavy pieces glide easily and transition smoothly from hardwood to over-area rugs. And the rugs never scrunch up. We needed to move our 1,000 pounds pool table so new carpet could be installed. After jacking up each end of the pool table, we put under the large moving pads. We were able to slide the pool table from our old carpet to our laminated dining room floor, over the transition step between the rooms. Easy to use and no stress on the back to move large sections of furniture. My second set. The first set I bought a very long time ago. Holds up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.